Hello fellow Plastaholics, be welcome to the channel and to another inbox review. As you know, we have Let's Build series on this channel where we build the airplanes or the scale models live on stream. So this one is the one that was chosen on last stream when I finished my little pink gnat, as some of you might or might not know, and we decided to build the Airfix Club limited edition Gloster Meteor FR.9. So this model is a 2022 build and tooling and design. So it does everything to be a perfect model. Having said that, sometimes manufacturers tend to prove us wrong. So today we're gonna have a look inside the box, what we have here, how the instructions are, and then we move on from there, because on Thursday 9 o'clock in the evening we will start the build on this one live stream for 2 hours on YouTube. So if you want to follow that build, please like and subscribe, activate all the notifications, and let me know which of the two schemes you want to see, if the number 8 squadron from Royal Air Force or Equatorial Combat from Fuerza Aérea Ecuatoriana. I hope this was my best Spanish. So without further ado, let's look inside the box and see what we have. So far, boxing art looks great. Once we open it, we are greeted with one plastic bag, as you can see, and the instructions booklet. Let's put the box in there, and within the instructions booklet we have the decals. So main thing I don't like is everything is in one bag, and it's one of my pet hates. I do apologize, but yeah, Airfix, please don't do this. Just pack them individually, because otherwise parts are going to be running. So getting out of the bag, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sprues and the clear part. So shall we start through the clear parts? It's the first one, so let's have a look. Clear parts are nice and clear as expected, but from what is expected to what really is, sometimes is a big difference. As you can see, there's no scratches, there's no nothing. It's perfectly molded as far as I can see, so very happy with it. One thing that jumps to sight is that the plastic on this one looks darker, and I don't know, I won't say harder, but I might be wrong, but definitely the plastic is different from the old Airfix kits. The old Airfix kits is a clear grayish plastic. This one is a much darker, which sometimes means that the plastic is harder. So let's hope it is, so that we can file nicely and keep all the details. The panel lines are not too deep, as you can see. They are fairly detailed and fairly seen, if that makes sense. I'm sorry. And on both sides we have nice and crispy panels, nice crispy details. In here we have the crispy parts on which I'm assuming is for the turbojets or the jet engines. So yeah, wing section, again, nice crispy details, nothing to point out so far. I might be wrong when we start building it, but so far looks good. Again, nice nail details on the wheel bay doors, which look absolutely great. Flash, I can't find any, but from a 2022 tool you wouldn't expect flash, would you? So in here we have all the other bits and bobs, like the nose cone. yeah, the sides of the chair of the pilot, wheels on here. The wheels come in various parts. We have a pilot. On the nowadays with Airfix is very rare, but we have a pilot, so let's treasure it. But again, as you can see, there's not flash. I can't see any flash. You have an injection point here and here, but that is expected as a sprue gate. But apart from that, looks really good. Even the pilot has a very good definition to it. It's not those old monkey Airfix that you used to get on the gift sets. It's a nice crispy detailed pilot, so which is good. I'm fairly impressed. Carry on. We have what I'm assuming is a half of a drop tank, I would say. I might be wrong again, so please correct me if I'm wrong. Again, nice crispy details on there. Loads to pick up, either with a dry brush or a wash. Looks absolutely perfect. And again, these little parts, they look very well molded, and I thoroughly enjoy them. They look really good. I'm assuming this is the cockpit floor. And yeah, looks really good. Again, I think this is the missiles and what not. Probably the landing gear door. And yeah, again, I can stress this enough. There's hardly, if any, flash in it. So I'm fairly surprised with this, which is good. Moving on to the decals. Decals are the standard cartograph decals. They seem really good. As you can see, I don't see much thickness to it, so they should settle very well, and hopefully they will do a great job. So again, we have the two versions, the English version and the Equatorian Air Force version. Instructions, as usual, like the new Airfix style, they come on a booklet with the colored parts that you are doing, decals that you need to put on. And yeah, from what I can see, fairly simply, you have the option of having the landing gear down, landing gear up, so you need to change this accordingly. The tub, so you need 8 grams of weight on the front. That's another thing to keep on the lookout. Yeah, like I say, instructions are very good and very simple to follow. Quite like them. I think they are very well designed and very easy to follow, even for an experienced scale modeler. So and yeah, there we go. It's only one half of the tank that's attached to the fuselage, so really good. There you go. There's not much to it. Again, you have the option of open canopy, closed canopy, so as you wish, and the final assemble airplane. So I'm inclined to do the camo version. People on live stream have said the camo version. Am I gonna do it the camo version? Am I gonna do the silver one? We don't know, but if you guys want to comment on there below, just let me know. Plenty of stencils to go on, so this will be a nice and thorough live stream, which probably I will do it off camera, but yeah, there's plenty of stencils to go on for a 70-second airplane, so oh joy. So having a real recap, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sprues, 1 clear sprue, instructions and decals. I hope you guys have liked this. I hope you guys have liked this inbox review and see what's inside the box. And again, if you guys want to follow, please like and subscribe to the channel, and you get all the notifications once we're going live. So this will be every Thursday, 2 hours, 9 o'clock in the evening till 11 o'clock in the evening, and we will be building live this with you guys. So please show up, and thumbs up if you like this video. If you didn't, thumbs down, but please let me know in the comments why you didn't like it, so I can improve my content. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I'll see you guys around.